a marriage between the physical world and the digital world. So the Chennai City Football Club, they are a unique entity who train the youngsters and prepare them for the bigger league, right? So here, one of the primary requirement, not only in India, in any place, is the funding. So you require the funding to train these people. So we will be converting these players into digital NFTs, wherein which you, me, we all will be able to participate in the progress of these players. So we can invest in them as early as possible, and we can ride along with them through their journey. So we will be able to transfer, we will be able to trade, we will be able to even pump in more money also. So during this process, the player matures, he plays, he creates revenue, he gets brand endorsements, and then he even gets transferred to higher and higher leagues. So imagine that you were invested in Sachin Tendulkar, or you invested in Virat Kohli at a very young stage when he has been trained. At this point in time, if you are getting a share of the endorsements or the revenue that what he is making, that's a massive money that what we'll be making. So this is the marriage between the physical world and the digital world. So during this process, we put together, we'll be able to empower the sports fraternity in India, which has a massive potential. I'm not having the number currently, but I assume so that selecting KPR Info Solutions again is based on the fact that they are a leading player in the market. So as a solution provider, they will be able to assist in accelerating the development process over there, and the knowledge and the capability what Chennai City Football Club has in terms of training the youngsters will definitely give the required boost to put this platform onto the forefront of Indian market. So it's not only about the football. We can have any sports division into this particular platform. It could be football, it could be kabaddi, it could be anybody, any sports. As and when the funding, the capital raising increases, naturally we will be able to generate more and more talent. So it's not only about the players collectively put together, the club also will be getting the funding. As Rohit mentioned, that the bill for the blockchain based transactions or the tokenization, we are expecting pretty soon to be shared in the parliament. So we expect so that by 2022 first quarter or second quarter, we should be having more clarity on the rules and regulations of these assets. Especially when we talk about tokenizing a player, we are promising certain returns to the holders of the tokens, right? So some sort of regulatory requirements will come in, so we will be compliant with that, and we are pretty strong in that particular area also. So we will be giving the required advice to the Chennai City Football Club for in terms of the revenues what they are generating. Let's say it is Chennai Super Kings or Mumbai Indians, which are the cricket club it is or the football club it is, you will be able to be part of those entities and you will be able to share the revenue of that one. So thank you so much, and any questions further, I will be able to take up in the Q&A sessions. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Tani bottle eduthrunga. Remove the water bottle, sir.
So it's a part of its kind strategic business announcement initiating the blockchain for sports ecosystem with the three esteemed brands Chennai City Football Club and KPR Info Solutions, Belfrics Group.
impact a particular market in a pretty big way.
I think this partnership is very fruitful because we've always been in physical presence as far as playing football tournaments are concerned. Now we're also looking into marriage with our partners to get into the digital space. This gives us a holistic view as to how we look at football in the digital platform, especially from India, who started from scratch and now trying to see what we can do to achieve our goals. This is not just a benefit for the players, but this also is a big benefit for the entire club. And hopefully in 5 to 10 years time, we can see proper valuation for football clubs and also other sports to proceed, possibly to proceed cricket if we are able to tap this digital space in the top of the world.
And when we talk about the NFT space, this empowers the industry as a whole. Like only if you talk about Tamil Nadu alone, there are 1,000 different clubs are there. In the school clubs I'm talking about, all put together close to around 30,000. Around 30,000 players are being trained on a regular basis. So this venture will ensure that the necessary funding are available for these players to go to the next league level or to the next level. I'm just talking about one particular state with 30,000 players. So I think there are close to around 13 or 14 states which are quite active in nature. So from the school level itself, from the grassroots level itself, we will be able to bring in the required expertise and also the necessary funding. And Chennai City Football Club is already supported by in terms of training with youngsters. So for the Indian football fraternity, so we will be able to bring in overseas expertise also to train them for it.
So this, as everybody said, it's a knowledge between 3 expertise and also. So I've seen Rohit's expertise in sports and journey as well, and Naveen's blockchain